Today we're going to start working on two locomotives for one of the members of the club. Um, he wants to add, these two locomotives already have DCC, but there's no sound, no lighting effects, just plain Jane, put in the number and go. So we're going to add, or I'm going to add, a Digitrax decoder with sound in each one of these, and then we're going to speed match them. And I'm just going to show you real quick how far off these two locomotives are. They're both Stewart HO scale locomotives with Cato drives. So what I've got here, I've got my NCE system hooked up, and we'll just go through and we'll program this real quick into a consist, if I can get all of this. So what we'll do, NCE makes this system really simple to consist a set of locomotives. So we'll hit setup, and that'll give us that on the display. We'll go in and we'll hit enter. That'll take us into the advanced setup. For our consist address, I'm just going to keep this at 127, and I'll just go ahead and put that back in just to show you. So there's 127, okay. And then we'll come down and we'll hit our enter button. It asks me what the lead locomotive is. I'm going to go to the one on the left. That is 63. And we'll enter that. What direction do we want this loco to go in? It's already in forward. So we'll hit enter. And you may have saw that front headlight on that locomotive flash. So our rear locomotive is number 65. We'll enter that. The direction we want this one to go into, since this is going to be our B unit, we'll change the direction, go into reverse, enter that. There, you saw that one kind of lurch forward, so it took the command. And we don't need to add any more locos, so we'll hit enter right there. Now all we have to do to run this is, I want to go forward. You can see the headlight on that light up. I will select our loco, and that comes down here. You can see that flashing. I'll enter 127. That's our loco number for these two in this consist, and then enter. So that comes up with that. Now we'll show you, I'll just go ahead and run these locomotives, and I'm going to run this in the forward direction, so you'll see how far off these are on their speed. Okay, you can see the lead locomotive, it is almost starting. That's how far apart these locomotives are at speed step 9. So we'll stop that. Now I'll reverse the direction. Now I'm still at speed step 9 on this controller. We'll hop it up there a little bit. So we are going to get these decoders installed, and then we'll speed match this and see how that turns out. See if we can get these two to run good together.